y'all. We back with another Top Dog detail. Yes, sir. It's your boy in the cut. Good morning to y'all. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. Please, bro. Please. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours, man. Y'all gonna watch this video once I get big and be like, damn, man, he told us to help him, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. I will support my people who help me, man. That's a promise that I'm making now early. While I got nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm starting from nothing, bro. Recording off my phone. I need y'all help. And you know, these are beautiful cars. This is 2021, RAV4, man. I mean, you don't want to see a review on this thing. Come on, dog. I got the document in the back because it's about to get documented. You know, by your man. Let me show y'all the inside. You know, all your little... Look, it's got 140 on the dash for SUV, man, and it's quick too. I like the designs and the cup holders. Look at the seats. They got a little funky design themselves. Yeah, man. It's not too spacious or nothing, but it's big. I mean, for what it is. It's got a small little trunk. A nice black one. Solid. I gotta get me a GoPro or something so I can take y'all inside the cars with me. But right now I don't got one, so back to y'all when I'm watching it all day, and I'll show y'all what it looks like. Real smart. Keep watching, please, man. Watch the whole video, bro. I'm gonna cash out somebody $10. Watch the whole video and comment below. Under below that you watch it. I'm gonna post the clip and the picture of me cash out somebody $10. Thank you for watching, man. Watch the whole video, dog. I'm gonna show y'all the cash out to the first to the end of the clip. That's how I'm gonna know if you watched it or not. First 2 people will request $10 in the finish. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to you. Alright, y'all look back, gang. You see how clean she is down there, all dirty there, man. I'm about to finish this trunk off. Let me put this couple of little knick-knack. Oh, almost dropped her. Go for it, man. Quick back, lickety lack. Rough it up. This side from the back angle. Yes, sir. What is color? Red over there. Get them all right, though. Let me cut this baby down. And now I gotta wipe everything down, y'all. Spray it off. Park it. Wipe down, spray it off, park it. That's my next steps. Wipe it off, spray it down, park it. That's it. Jump in here, turn the camera around, put it back there. Put the seat back. Put it down. So I got room. I start down here at the bottom of the front. Wipe all that off in the door hinges. And I start up here at the top rack. Up there where y'all at. Show y'all that. And I start from there. I'm not gonna record the whole process just cause I know y'all don't wanna see that unless y'all, comment below saying that y'all do like it. when I talk and I guess record myself cleaning, I incorporate it into the videos more. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the steering wheel and cut y'all guys off into the next clip. Woo! This motherfucker looks good. For those of y'all who commented last video and asked me about if washing it close was gonna mess up the paint, no. These are new cars, so they when you paint it, they just paint it, EPF, all that good stuff. It won't be damaged or anything. And I really go over it very lightly, guys. I don't go too hard with the paint or on the paint or anything. I take it easy. Look at that. Got my ass stuck. I stuck on the car. I must have been done anyway. Well, I guess that's the end of this one, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and get it up out of here. He's ready for the real world now. Yes, you better believe it. Candy Red made a return to the channel, y'all. Gonna be cleaning her up, spraying her off really once again. I just cleaned the inside of it, but she looking all good. Oh yeah. Candy Red, welcome back, baby. Toyota action, y'all. I think it's gonna be a Toyota here. Don't forget to watch to the end of the video for the cash out. And $10 to subscribers. New or old, comment down below. Check it. See it all. Who's watching the rain? Tell me how long y'all watch the video for. This one. I was really interrupted in that last clip, that's why I didn't it like that. She got a double roof, y'all. Big double roof. I'm almost done cleaning her off there, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this thing up and park it. I might give y'all a walk away once I'm parked. Thank y'all for watching though. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, y'all. Like the video.